Ghost
For
of
real, man,
jungle.
I saw something in front of us.
It's the ghost
Two
of
eyes.
jungle.
Two eyes in front of us. Come on, Mehdi. Guys. We just started walking through the jungle. Here is freaky dark. Okay.
This is gonna be dope.
Alright. I don't know why am I doing this, but here is freaky scary, guys. God, look at this. Where is it? Can you see anything?
There's nothing here. Nothing so far.
Oh my god. I can't even talk. So I think if
we gotta be careful.
I'm going back, since we are not really deep in jungle,
If
so
you don't run, it's not gonna like run after you. Okay, just be cool. Just relax. Play dead. Okay, play dead.
guys, just look at these trees. Oh my god, it's like that movie Harry Potter. Okay guys, here I have to shut it off and I go a bit more through this jungle, then I record it again.
Shit, what is that?
Where is that? Guys, we are here. What the hell, man? Where is it? It's a deadly bench, man. It's a dead bench here, and in the middle of jungle. Like, we have no idea what is it for. Let's go inside jungle. This part is freaky dark, guys. Don't know, I really scared here. I heard something, Mehdi, I don't know. What the fuck?
What the fuck was that? Shit.
The fuck was that, Mehdi? We gotta go from this bridge. It's okay. My friend just, he's a bit scared.
It's so heavy.
Look at his face. We are just running from some
heavy.
freaky, some creepy voice. Fuck. We were
Was
just
that
running
a
from some
joke?
creepy sound.
Was that an owl? I don't know.
Fuck, man. Man, here is. Oh my god.
Don't put it in my eye. Who killed the tree here? Who killed the tree?
Careful, man. Quiet.
What?
Mehdi, I heard something, man. Seriously, for real, man, I heard something.
It's a ghost of the jungle.
Shut the fuck up, man. For real, I heard something. Mehdi.
The ghost of the jungle is coming
Mehdi,
after us.
I feel unsafe here, man. Let's go back.
No, we have to continue our way. We made it.
I feel a bit unsafe, man. Something is dropping from up there, man. I don't know what the hell. Something is dropping from up there.
The ghost of jungle is fucking with us. Ghost of jungle.
People say in this jungle is like no one can walk at night, and if we walk at night, we should be really insane. I think we are. Okay, guys, as you can see here, as you can see, spiders block the way, and we cannot go from this way. Look at it. Huge spider. Maybe I saw something lighting from there, man. I saw something lighting, man.
There
Deer.
are deers in this jungle, as I have heard. Lots of deer. Deer won't bite.
Your tree goes up. Oh my god.
Alright,
I
there is
think
a two-way.
We gotta go back, guys. There is two ways here. One way go.
Just go right.
One way.
Go right.
First one goes left, and this one goes right. You sure? You wanna choose the right one? Mehdi, can you see? Can you see? I saw something in front of us, man. Come on. I swear, man, I saw something. Look at it.
What? There's nothing there.
What the fuck is that, man?
That's the ghost of the jungle. I was talking about it. I told you. Show yourself, ghost of the jungle. It's showing yourself.
Guys,
The ghost
for
of
real,
jungle.
man, I saw something in front of us.
It's the ghost
Two
of
eyes.
jungle. Ghost of jungle. Let's go see him.
Can you see that?
Hey, ghost of jungle. We came all the way here for you. Show yourself. Now. It's a friend.
Guys, look at it. Two eyes in front of us. It's for real. Gotta move slowly.
Run!
Let's go, let's go.
Run!
Let's go. Come on, Mehdi. Guys, I'll show the next shot to you.